In today's video, we're going to be checking out Divoom's innovative take on the classic sling bag with the Pixoo. Now if you're new to the channel and you like this video, hit the like button and consider subscribing to help the channel grow. Without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, the Pixoo is very stylish and eye-catching with its premium look and feel. The bag has a mix of faux leather around the trim and water-resistant fabric around the main compartment. Even though it's classified as a sling bag, you definitely have more than one way to use it. There's a rubber strap across the back if you want to carry it in your hand. A shoulder strap, which is fully adjustable, not only expanding enough to fit across your chest, but around your waist as well. Connecting the straps, there's a magnetic buckle, which is released by pressing down on the tab in the center while pushing the buckles towards each other. The smaller straps on the sides and the bottom can be used to expand the size of the main compartments, giving you some extra room to fit larger items. Checking out the compartments, there's 3 different available pockets. A smaller one on the back, in the middle we have the largest pocket. In here we have a couple of slots to organize your everyday carry, along with a detachable key ring and a zippered off area to keep things from moving around. In the front pocket, this is where you're going to find the USB cord to power up the 4.7-inch LED screen located on the front. Just note, in order to power the screen, you will need to buy your own USB power pack, as the bag doesn't come with one. And hidden away between the middle and the front pockets, there's a quick storage slot that's accessible from either end of the bag. In order to unleash your creativity with the Pixoo, you're going to want to head over to your device's app store and download the Divoom app. Once the app is downloaded, make sure your bag is powered on. Launch the app and add the Pixoo by pressing the plus sign on the top left-hand corner. Right away, you should see the Pixoo sling bag populate underneath the Bluetooth tab. Clicking on it will complete the pairing. Now that it's connected, you could go ahead and start customizing your bag by using the community-created 16x16 pixel art. If you're more inclined to create your own art, you can do that as well by using the design option within the app. Should you be looking for some more practical pixel art, you can always go into channels to have your bag display things like the time, weather, temperature, or even the date. As I mentioned earlier, the Pixoo is definitely an eye-catching and premium-looking sling bag. Not only does it look great, but the bag seems to be very well made, from the fabric to the stitching to the zipper. The screen is bright and even displays well in sunlight. After style, comfort and space will be the key features when looking for a bag, and the Pixoo delivers on those features as well. It's a comfortable bag that easily fits most essentials needed, whether heading out quickly or for an extended commute. If you're looking to pick up a power bank to use with this bag, go for a slim design. This will save on space in the front pocket as well as avoiding added weight. Feeling that your sling bag is secure is very important, especially when carrying around valuables. I do feel reassured with the locking mechanism on the buckles that the bag is going to remain secure. In order to give your Pixoo the best life possible, you'll want to avoid getting the bag dirty, as the only option to clean it is with a damp cloth. This is where I'm going to end today's video. If you have any questions about the Pixoo, drop them in the comments. If you're interested in purchasing this sling bag, I'll be dropping all the product links in the description down below. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.